Hello there, in this video we'll do part 2 and build out our typography styles. So let's go. Okay, so the next part of the process, I think I want to build out a typography scale on the page so we can actually visually see very clearly what the scale is, what our different sizes are, what our different line heights are, what our different font weights are, so we can see them all together. I'll speed up this part of the video as I create the scale, so sit back and relax and I will see you in a bit. Okay, so welcome back. So as you can see on our page, we've created our type scale. I'll just zoom in a little bit here, and if I just get rid of those menus. So you can see we have our displays, which go all the way from 96 down to 40. We've got our H1, H2 and H3 headings, which is great. Then we've got our body fonts in large, medium and small. So yeah, it's looking good. I think this is a good start. So a couple of things that come to mind. We might need some uppercase variants in future, but for now I'm just gonna leave it as it is. But sometimes you can add your uppercase variants into this type scale as well. So something I want to add now is some text links, just in case we need those in the future. So what I'm going to do, so I'll get back my menus. I'm just going to go to the colors page quickly. So what we don't have in here is we've got an expanded palette here. We've got feedback states, neutrals and brand. We don't have a color reserved for text links. So what I'll do quickly is let's just add another column in here. Let's just remove those swatches for now, and let's just create one. So let's do this as text links. We'll do it as 500. Let's just go into the playground area. What I've done here is I've just marked something that we could use, so it's next to the sky color here that we've used. We'll use it for now. If we need to change it later, we can. So what we'll do is let's just drag this text down here, just make a little bit more space. I'm going to go into the foundation color generator, go to Atlassian. Let's just move that over a tiny bit. Let's grab a color, click here, click on that color. Let's just call this text links or text link. Click on palette, let's close that, and let's just drop that in here for now. Okay, so let me grab the 300 color, which should be this color up here, 3C4. Yep, let's go back to our colors page. Just gonna paste that in beneath for now. Let's just update this here. Okay, that should be fine. Let's just delete that. Let's go into our variables. Let's go and create a new variable at the bottom. Let's create that as a color. Let's try and find where it's disappeared to. Okay, there we go. So let's type in our name, DWM-text links. Let's call it text link, and let's do that as, it's actually 300. Let me zoom in slightly. Let's just change the hex code here. Let's put this under text links, or text link, and /. Okay, so that's created a new heading. So we could potentially group the error, alert, and success and text links together. So let's just quickly do that. Okay, that seems to be done. So we've got feedback states, and then we've got the subfolders here for error, alert, success, and text link. Let's just go in and change that color so it uses text link. And let's just adjust the swatch so it says 300. And let's just update this text to white. Now the text can be seen. Okay, that should be okay. Let's go back to our typography page. So looking at the type, we're probably going to have text links on the body fonts. Let's do some of the sizes here. So let's take regular. We can keep that there. Let's just do text link, large, regular. And then let's change the color to text link. Probably going to change the style here, so if we go into the settings panel and underline it as well, because it is a text link. And let's just update the description, so used. Okay, so we can just do that for now, used when presenting links. Let's just update the color as well, so DWM-text link, and that's 300, but I will just double check that. I'm sure it is. Yeah, text link -300, so yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's do the same with medium, so let's follow the same naming convention. So text link, medium, regular. Let's just update the color here. So let's text link 300. Let's go into the settings, underline it. Let's copy and paste this for the color. That's fine, and let's copy those notes there as well. Okay, and the last one, we'll do one for small as well. So let's just duplicate that. So let's rename this here, text link, -small, -regular. Again, let's just copy and paste the color out. So that's fine. Let's copy out that description there as well. And let's go in and, okay, and because this is 12 pixels, I think we should make the font weight semi-bold. And let's just adjust that color again. So text link. And let's go into the settings and underline as well. Yeah, so that should work a little bit better. When it's 12 pixels, it is quite small, so I think we need to increase that font weight so it's more visible. So for the large and medium, we'll leave them in a regular font weight for now, and we'll see when we start to design if we need to increase that font weight a little bit more. Okay, so I think this page has turned out quite well. We've got our scale here. I'm just going to move this old frame. So let's move that to the playground. So that should be fine. That's gone there. Let's just tidy the file up. Just make sure the layers are locked. If I press Shift R on the keyboard, you can see where I put the rulers to align the size, the line height, the assign color and the guidelines. So you can just press Shift R to toggle those on and off. Just going to hide the menus again, and let's just start at the top. So we've got our display colors all the way to the headings and then down to our body font. So we've got large, medium and small, and we've also added our text links as well, which is going to be good. Okay, so let's publish some of these changes. Let's go up to our icon here. Let's click on publish changes. So we have quite a few changes. Let's just have a look at these one at a time. So the colors, so we've moved our feedback colors so they are clustered together under a group called feedback states. And we've added our text link 300 color as well. Let's just go back. So I'll just add some notes on this point. I'm just going to publish these changes one at a time so I can add some notes. So that's the first one there for the colors and moving around some of the variables. So on to the next change. So I've clicked on the icon. I'm going to click on publish. Let's go to units. So this is all our master units that we've added as variables. So these are all the typography styles that I've added to the variables panel as well. Let's publish these together. So, okay, so I've added some notes here. So we've added our font family, font weight, line height and font sizes. And we've also added our master units collection in the variables panel. So let's click on publish. So that's publishing the library. And there we go, we're all up to date. Okay, so in the next video, we'll look at building out some spacing variables. We'll create a new page in the style guide, and we'll build out a system that we can use for things like margins and padding when we're designing. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching to the end. Like and subscribe, add some comments, check out some other videos on my channel. Let me know in the comments if you're enjoying this series or if there are any other areas or topics or things you want me to cover. And that's it. So have a great Wednesday, have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay.